How about cracking open a secret to incredible health benefits? No, it's not a magic potion, it's the humble walnut. In the realm of health and nutrition, this unassuming nut holds a place of honor. Symbolic of health and longevity, walnuts are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Imagine a tiny, edible treasure chest brimming with omega-3 fatty acids that boost cardiovascular health and help keep heart diseases at bay. Walnuts are also known as brain food, their high content of DHA helping improve cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that walnuts are loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and slow down the aging process? Contrary to popular belief, walnuts can aid in weight management by controlling appetite. So don't let the fats scare you. Stick around as we uncover the 20 amazing health benefits of this nature's nutrient powerhouse. First stop on our nutty journey, the heart. Now, walnuts might not look like a typical heart-shaped Valentine's Day candy, but they sure know how to keep your ticker in tip-top shape. Packed to the brim with heart-healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids, these little nuggets of nutritional goodness are on a mission to promote cardiovascular health. Imagine this. Every crunch of a walnut is like a mini workout for your heart. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts are like personal trainers, helping to keep your heart strong and reduce the risk of heart disease. They might not make you run faster or lift heavier, but they sure do make your heart beat better. But that's not all. These heart-healthy fats are also incredibly friendly to your arteries. They wave a big hello to good cholesterol and a firm goodbye to the bad one. So, in essence, walnuts are like that loyal friend who always has your back, or in this case, your heart. So walnuts are not just a treat to your taste buds, but also your heart's best friend. Ever heard of brain food? Walnuts top the chart. Now you might be wondering how a humble walnut can be such a star in the world of cognitive health. Well, the secret lies in a particular type of omega-3 fatty acid called DHA, which is found in abundance in walnuts. This nutrient is a superstar when it comes to brain function. It's like the conductor of our brain symphony, orchestrating the smooth operation of cognitive functions. It's been shown to improve memory, concentration, and even mood. But the benefits of DHA don't stop with just a mental boost. Studies suggest that this mighty fatty acid can also help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. That's right, the regular consumption of walnuts could potentially safeguard your brain against conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. So if you're looking for a natural, tasty way to give your brain a leg up, remember to include walnuts in your diet. Whether it's a handful as a snack, crushed into your morning oatmeal, or tossed into a salad, there are plenty of delicious ways to get your daily dose of walnut power. Remember, a walnut a day keeps the brain fog away. Want to combat oxidative stress and slow down aging? Say hello to walnuts. These little brain-shaped kernels are not just a tasty treat, but also a treasure trove of antioxidants. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal about antioxidants? Well, they're like your body's very own superheroes fighting off the villains known as free radicals. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress in the body, leading to various health issues and accelerating the aging process. But here's where walnuts come in. These crunchy goodies are jam-packed with antioxidants which neutralize these harmful free radicals, slowing down the aging process and helping you maintain that youthful glow. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, why not grab a handful of walnuts? They're not just delicious, they're also doing your body a world of good by combating oxidative stress and slowing down the march of time. To age gracefully, make walnuts your snack mate. Who says losing weight can't be nutty and fun? Welcome to the world of walnuts, the unsung heroes in the quest for weight management. Now you might be thinking, wait, aren't walnuts high in fat? Well, yes, but it's the good kind of fat. Walnuts are packed with heart-healthy fats that can help control your appetite. How does that work, you ask? It's quite simple. These fats, along with the fiber found in walnuts, help you feel fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings that can lead to overeating. But that's not all. Walnuts also aid in digestion, ensuring that your body is running efficiently and absorbing the nutrients it needs. But remember, moderation is key. While walnuts are a fantastic snack choice, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. An ounce or a handful a day is usually enough to enjoy their benefits without going overboard. So the next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of walnuts instead of that bag of chips. Your waistline will thank you. Walnuts, a tasty route to weight management. Looking for a secret to healthy skin, hair, and bones? It's hidden inside a walnut shell. Now, who'd have thought that something as simple as a walnut could be a beauty elixir? Well, surprise, surprise, the nutrients packed inside these crunchy delights are your ticket to glowing skin and lustrous hair. Walnuts are rich in biotin and vitamins B and E, which are essential for skin health and hair growth. They help in combating hair loss and promote a radiant complexion. Not to mention they keep those wrinkles at bay. Yes, you heard it right, walnuts are natural anti-agers, but it doesn't stop there. Walnuts also contribute to stronger bones. How, you ask? They are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. These nutrients work together to strengthen your bones and keep osteoporosis at bay. And here's the cherry on top, or should we say, the walnut on top. Research suggests that walnuts may have potential anti-cancer properties. While further studies are needed, there's no harm in munching on a few extra walnuts, right? For a health and beauty boost, rely on walnuts. How about boosting your immunity and sleep with walnuts? Now, there's an idea worth cracking, right? Let's dive into the world of walnuts and discover how they can be your nightly fairy tale and your immune system's very own knight in shining armor. First off, walnuts are like a dream come true for those seeking a good night's sleep. They contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. Just imagine with a handful of walnuts, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also inviting sweet dreams. It's like a lullaby in a nutshell. And as for your immune system, walnuts are here to give it a serious boost. Packed with antioxidants, they combat oxidative stress, which can weaken your body's defense system. So, while you're dozing off into dreamland, walnuts are on guard, fortifying your body's defenses. It's a win-win. Remember, walnuts don't just add crunch to your meals, they add strength to your immunity and quality to your sleep. So the next time you're looking for a snack, reach for some walnuts. Sleep tight and stay strong with walnuts. Need a fitness companion? Walnuts are here to assist. They're not just your ordinary snack, but a superfood that's ready to back you up in your fitness journey. You see, walnuts are rich in nutrients that help improve exercise performance. They contain ample amounts of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which provide the energy needed to power through your workouts. And it doesn't stop there. These nutrient-dense nuts contribute to overall vitality and longevity. The omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts are known to promote heart health, keeping your ticker in top shape as you stay active. Plus, they're packed with antioxidants that fight off oxidative stress, helping you recover faster from those intense workout sessions. Remember, fitness isn't just about hitting the gym or running miles, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients to keep it functioning at its best. And walnuts, with their impressive nutrient profile, fit the bill perfectly. So the next time you're looking for a snack that packs a punch, reach for a handful of walnuts. Stay fit and energized with walnuts. Guess what's beneficial for pregnant women? You got it, walnuts. Now, if you're expecting a little one, it's time to make walnuts your new best friend. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are just what you need to support a healthy pregnancy. Walnuts are chock full of essential nutrients that contribute to the development of the baby's brain and nervous system. They're rich in DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, which is a crucial component for the development of the brain. So, you're not just munching on a snack, you're literally feeding your baby's brain. But that's not all. The high fiber content in walnuts can help manage those pesky pregnancy digestive issues, keeping you comfortable and happy. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, ensuring that you and your baby stay healthy. And let's not forget about the immune boost. Walnuts are great for your immune system, helping you stay strong and resilient during this important time. So if you're pregnant and looking for the perfect snack, look no further. Pregnant? Make walnuts your go-to snack. We've journeyed through the Walnut Wonder. Now let's wrap it up. These humble nuts are nothing short of a nutritional marvel, boasting 20 health benefits we've explored. From being a heart's best friend with their rich omega-3 fatty acids, to being a brain food enhancing cognitive functions, walnuts have proven their worth. Their antioxidant abilities combat oxidative stress, slowing down the aging process. And who would have thought? They're weight management experts helping to control appetite. Walnuts' beauty benefits promote healthy skin and hair, while their melatonin content improves sleep quality. They prove to be a fitness companion, enhancing exercise performance and an aid during pregnancy. But remember, all good things should be consumed in moderation. A recommended serving of these nutrient powerhouses is about 1 ounce or a handful per day. So there you have it, the wonder of walnuts in a nutshell. Enjoy the nutrient powerhouse of walnuts, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.